Looks like someone is possibly there, but... Alright, top 8 to Storm. Yeah, I'm gonna play EU late with Rockstar and, Hugo. See, this is what you can't do with simple edits. I mean, not that I'm very good with it on normal edits, but you can't do this with simple edits. You started KBM. It's gonna take a while. I mean, I've been on the Azeroth now for a year, so... Come on, we need it to go down 8, 7, 6. Come on. Died to Storm in 8th place, get 4%. Possibly. I don't want to really heal. I might just put the blue blob in here and heal as much as I can. And then I've got Storm Sickness anyhow, so... And with any luck, might get top 6. Maybe 5%? Only 3%. Why 3%? And you've given me 4% before now for top 8. I didn't take any... I didn't get any, tags. No.